Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about unit of measure, how you can create and set up this in Business Central, and how you can set up different unit of measure for one item. So let's see that you have one item that you buy in kilograms, like meat, but you want to use in grams. So it's just an example, right? The idea is how you can set up this in order to uh, consume or buy or sell uh, items in a different unit of measure that you manage your store. So let's go to Business Central and see how this works. Please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So let's go to Business Central. And first, so let's search, I think it's the unit of measure. So here is quite simple. What you need to do is define here a code for your unit of measure. Then you need to set up a description and then the international stand code. So it's quite simple. You just need to go and define this. Here we have quite some examples so we can use, and of course that you always have to consider here what is the unit of measure that you use in your company. Okay, so let's now go to one item and see how we can set up. Okay, so here we have the items. I will select this item. So here how this works. So first, what you need to do is select what is the base unit of measure. That means that you manage your stock with this unit of measure. And from that, you can go and select in Business Central different unit of measure. For example, I can go here in the sales, price and sales, and say that my unit of measure here could be different. Instead of can be, I don't know, unity, pieces, could be liter, right? If I bought this in can, but when I sell this, I sell in liters. Okay, could be you can select here. Also, you can select what is the unit of measure that you use to buy. And when you and if you work with different unit of measure, what you need to do, you need to go here, related item, unit of measure, and then here I add an example here. That means that my can have like 30 liters. So what I did here in order to do this, because you always this is sometimes a little bit confused, and this is something that you have to consider when you do this kind of setup, right? What is the unit of measure that you use to manage your stock? and based on this that you will calculate your other unit of measure that you can use. So in this case here, I have a cup that is, let's see, that in this example has 30 liters, and what I need to do here is not come and say, it's 30 liters, right? Because in this way, when I select 1 liter, for example, the system will understand that they have to multiply this for 30, and this is not correctly, right? Actually, what you need to consider here, if my unit is with 30 liters, I need to divide this if I am using a liter, right? Because 1 cup has 30 liters. So that means in this case here, if I am using liter, I need to take 1 and divide per 30. And this is a mistake that is quite common when you use different unit of measure in a company, that sometimes for some reason you, instead of multiply or divide, you multiply, and then you have like some calculation that doesn't make any sense. But anyway, in this case here, I think is clear. So in this case, what you need to do now is go and select this in a different. Maybe what we can do here, maybe we can buy this item, just show, let's see that for some reason we buy this in liters instead of cup, right? So let's see. Okay, we could also do here like stock adjustment. So I think it could be also something that we could use in order to show this example. But it's okay. I think we can create a purchase order, or it's okay. Okay, so let's go here. So let's go to item journal first. Okay, I will do a negative adjust. Let's add my item, no location. They will stay here, that I will two, but instead of toucan, I will select the tulip. Okay. Okay, the order is okay, so we will just post this. Okay. And then we can come here in item, and you can see our quantity of on hand. Okay, so you can see here that in this case, instead of posting adjust negative with 2, right? We are posting the quantity in cup, right? So it's 0.06066. Okay, So basically is how this work with unit of measure. You have a lot of options here in order to set up this, and this is really helpful when you are work with different unit of measure. It's quite simple. You just have to keep in mind what is the unit of measure that you use to manage your stock, and then if you want to use this a different for sales, a different for purchase, how you will convert this, right? So and if you take this in mind, this is quite simple. So please, if you have any other question, let me know. Subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. Thank you, and see you in my next video.